everybody, in today's video I'm going to unbox the October Stationery Selection subscription box for October. I think I said that, but let's just jump right in. I've got the list of all the items right here and we're going to go through them together. Now I just want to say right off the bat, this month the October box felt like there were so many items in it, and not just like a lot of things, but like really awesome, really good quality things. So let's go ahead and quickly go through here. The first thing we have is some washi tape by Papier Platz, and the design is really kind of cool. It's perfect for the autumn season. The colors are really great. I really like it a lot, and I just really think I'll get a lot of use out of that. So there's this really pretty washi, and then we have these amazing new to the market Midori branded stationery type stickers. Let me take it out of the packaging here. I love these. I think these are going to be great for decorating. They're small and they just add the cutest, perfect little details. So I really like these a lot. I've actually got a couple of different other sheets, and I got a sheet in the mail from one of my pen pals, and I keep saying I need 1 million of these because they're just perfect. And they're the material is like washi paper or washi stickers, so they're going to peel up really easily. They're not going to add a lot of bulk. They're not very thick. They're not thick at all. So these are going to be great. The next we have this beautiful postcard. The texture on it, first of all, is lovely, but just the imaging, it looks like an oil crayon or like charcoal it was drawn with, and it's just really, really pretty. I really like this a lot. I might just stick this on my wall because it's just really dainty and clean and really pretty. Next we have the really popular Penco clips, and it has some paper in here to keep it from rubbing, and it's really sturdy. It's a really tight clip, so you don't have to worry about things coming in and out of it. I really like these a lot. These are really popular and they're really handy. Sorry if it just got a little dim in here. The sun just went behind a cloud. Next we have some letter paper and envelopes from the, ooh, sorry, that's really loud. Try to peel that slower. From the creator Shuku, something Nishi Shuku, I think. Let me find it. Yeah, Nishi Shuku. And we've gotten quite a lot of things from this creator in the boxes before, but they're just so clean and dainty. So we've got 12 pieces of paper in here, and they're really, really pretty. The thing I love about getting letter sets from Japan is that they always include a really sturdy writing board, so you can use it horizontally right here and write on the paper and write straight, or use it this way and write straight. I love that touch. I think that's really special. It speaks of the quality of the brand, wanting to make sure that you use the paper and create something really clean and pretty, and being able to write in a straight line, because most of us can't, is really special. So the paper is really smooth on the writing side, and it's got some texture on the back, which is really nice. And it's got the cute little forest theme. And then here are the envelopes. We've got some beautiful trees on the front and some trees, and then the bird on the back. This is going to be tricky with the American senders because our post office requires our stamp to be in the top right, and sometimes our letters can get returned if the postage is over here or other places. I personally have not had that issue, but I have had friends tell me that if they don't, sometimes post offices are really nitpicky about that. So I don't know, we'll see. Maybe we'll just use it to include inside of an envelope. You could put the letter inside this envelope and put it in another one. Would be one idea to make sure it doesn't get returned. And then we've got a pen here. This is a Sarasa pen, and I've never seen this before, but it apparently is non-smudgeable. Like you can write with it and then highlight over it and it won't smudge or bleed, which is really great. And I don't do a whole lot of highlighting, but I definitely could see how this would be useful for students. And just like making sure you don't smudge in general. Next we have this really cute Petite Deco Rush liner, like runner. I'm gonna show you all of these things. I'm gonna do it right here in this book, but a really cute, fun, colorful design with that. The big item in here is the, let me see if I can open this quietly, the 2019 monthly dated Midori notebook in size A5. I wish I could tell you how excited I am about this. I'm just going to tell you I'm really excited about this. So we've got the advertisement right here, and then you've got a wax paper cover over that, and then there's some stickers and advertisements, and then the cover of the notebook here, story of 2019, and then you've got a calendar for 2 years, 2019 and 2020, and then it jumps right in like so, starting in December of this year, which is fantastic, and then it goes all the way until January, I think, of 2020, yes. And then the rest of the notebook is this really fine, nice quality blue grid. I think this is fantastic. I haven't decided what I'm going to use it for. I need a monthly calendar bad. I had a passport size, didn't use it, didn't like it, it was too small. A5 is going to be perfect. I have said in other videos I wanted to dip my toes in with the A5 size, and I think this is going to be a great way to do that. There is a bookmark. I keep flipping past it. It's bright orange. Where are you? There we are. So that you could be able to keep your page. It does have this lovely bright orange bookmark on there, which is really nice. So last item in the box is this really cute, very small, again, I'm sorry if the lighting is going in and out, origami paper. I don't think, I'm looking at the back here. I'm sorry if this crinkle annoys you. And it looks like its intended purpose is not just for origami. So you've got origami here. You could use it for a napkin or cup holder or decorative, and then you could wrap little treats. It's from the Awagami factory, and I'm not sure if everybody gets a different color scheme. I got the pink tones, and it's like tie-dyes, which is really lovely, and they're really soft and really fine. These are going to be really fun to play with. So yeah, let's put all of this aside and let's decorate a page here. We'll just do, I want to do January. I don't want to do December. So right off the bat, I want to use some of this washi. So I'm just going to take some of this cute washi and then just start from one side right here, stick it down, get it into that crease really nice. Use my new clip to hold my not bulking at all book open. And let's do this. I wonder, yes, I have my phone. Let's see. When the boys are on vacation in January. So they will be off from the 1st through the 9th and then again on the 21st. So I'm going to use this deco runner right here and just mark the 1st through the 9th to indicate that they will not be in school. So I'm just going to run it across here. Ooh, professional here, people. And then we'll do the 21st as well. All right, and then I'll put a little key right here and use my new no smudge pen. Push this down a little bit. And key. This is no school. So yes, lovely. And let's take some of these new stickers and decorate. Put a cute little book down here. Let me make sure I'm still in frame. How fun would this not be if I wasn't? Okay, perfect. And then I'll put a little tag right here. Hello. And let's see. Put some cute little postage stamp looking things right here. And I'll throw some letters right there. How cute is that? So I'm gonna push on this a little bit to try to see if I can get it stuck on there so it doesn't rub off. Let's see, I'm gonna add one more thing. I'll put some pencils right here. I think that looks pretty nice. Let's see if the boys have any appointments in January. No school. Ooh, Daddy's gonna be away in January. Yeah, I think we're good. Oh, Emmett does have a dentist appointment. So let me put that in there. A Saturday dentist appointment. How interesting. And let me see. I'll use one of these. I have these from the Stationery selection a while ago, and this mustard yellow kind of matches. I'm going to put a little dot right there because I don't want to really write there. And I'll just write right here 5 E dentist. What time is that going to be? At 10 a.m. 10 a.m. And I think this matches this washi down here, so that really pulls it together. And these are the Stology little masking patches is what they call those. And then let's see what color. Pink kind of goes well. I'll just take this top one here and I'm just gonna tear it. It doesn't tear super easily. It's definitely giving me a fight, but it's got this really nice textured feather feel. And I'm just gonna maybe glue that right there. Let me see if I can get a glue pen here. Oh, I hope this one isn't dry. And I'm just gonna, oh, it feels a little dry. Just gonna run this across right here. There we go, I got her going. I'm just gonna put that right there for some detail. And then I've got to put something here. What should I put? Maybe a stamp? Do I have a pretty stamp? I guess it doesn't really go well, does it? Ink Skylar. Or maybe I'll like ink stamp something. this from the Raw Market shop. I don't have any stays on ink though, so that's not going to stick on there. Darn, what am I going to do? Everything I have is kind of all over the place here. Maybe I'll put a sticker. I don't want it to blend in though. What are you gonna do, Skylar? Think, girl. No, that won't work. What is this down here? Oh, I don't know. Maybe I'll just leave it. I think I'm overthinking it now. Anyway, so yeah, I love this. All of the supplies are really nice. I'm really digging it, and I can't wait to really get moving into this thing and really explore it and have fun with all of the options available. Obviously, I didn't really use this, but I think Mitz said that she was going to use hers for keeping track of Happy Mail, which I think is really nice. And bring in these stickers, the washi and the card here. So yeah, if you have any questions, leave them down below. If you're not a subscriber, I would appreciate if you would consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If not, I will catch you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.